All right, guys, how we doing? So today we have a very big guest on the channel. We have the 32-inch 30th anniversary Playdate Ariel doll, exclusive to Target, and she's huge. I've always wanted one of these bigger dolls though, like this, and relatively she was really inexpensive. I think I paid $55 for her because she was on sale. Anyway, why don't we take her out of the box and get a closer look? All right, guys, so now we've taken Ariel out of her one box, and as you can see, she's got flat feet, a full fabric outfit, tail, clamshell bra, etc. She comes with a forked brush. She is articulated, has long, soft hair, and she is made by the Jax Specific company, and she is a 2019 doll. I'm gonna get her out of this boxing too so we can get a closer look, but I just kind of wanted to show you like how massively big she is compared to me. Awesome, let's get this going. Holy Hannah. Okay, now that I have finally gotten Ariel out of her box, we can get a closer look at her. And it looks like she is fully articulated for a 32-inch doll. And she has movement at the head, the shoulders, elbows, wrists. So she can hold her little dingle hopper comb, and she has articulation at the hips, the knees, and she does have articulation at the feet. It's just, well, it's more at like the ankle. She can move her ankles from side to side, just not front and back. Her outfit does go, the fabric does go all the way around. And it's very much like a child's mermaid costume, skirt kind of thing, etc. with the fin on top. And then that fin underneath. I don't believe this is a like my size Barbie size. I think it's like 4 inches shorter than that, and there's no way these clothes would fit like a regular child unless they were incredibly thin. But her hair is super soft and long. There's a lot of hair, but it's definitely, you can definitely see like the bald spots in the back and see like where the rooting comes from and where they just painted the back of her head red. She comes with a tiara that you can take off. It's held down with those plastic bits that hold the head back into the packaging, but you can take it out. It has a little comb part so you could put it in your hair if you wanted to. I'm gonna leave it in, otherwise it's just gonna keep falling out and I'm gonna lose it. She has, her eyes are supposed to look kind of like those glass eyes, but they're actually painted. And then right in here, there's like a small inset, but back there it's also screen printed on. Her ears are not pierced or anything, but you know, she's pretty cute. She definitely looks more childlike than anything, but I think that's kind of what Jakks Pacific does with their toys, is they're more child looking. Ultimately, she's a really cute doll and I'm glad I have her. And she has the official 30th anniversary sticker on her packaging, which is what my channel's all about this month, is the 30th anniversary of The Little Mermaid. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. And I think for the question of the day, what size dolls do you like? Personally, I like 12-inch fashion dolls, but do you like 4-inch dolls, 6-inch, 32-inch dolls? American Girl dolls, I believe they're 18-inch, like that size. Let me know down in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our new doll.